Wait, what up? Oh, fuck, I can't do it.
Circle him. Don't let him move.
Did the other one die?
The triangle. Yeah, we did
There.
both of them.
Ah, okay.
Hey, Nate, bring me that. You're not having fun, do you?
Nang wanted to kill. Nang really likes to kill people.
Huh? Are we at the servers? Cause if you're at the servers, where are you at? Did you log in yet?
Is this nigga Pyric playing Club Penguin?
Yep. Huh?
Bro, I haven't done the hack in a while. I don't know how much money I have right now. I'm about to pay my house out in a bit.
Is it still going?
Oh no, I haven't done it in like a few days, but I think since
Okay.
last time I had like 50,000 or 60,000.
Mhm. Yeah. Well,
I'm
Terry.
gonna start a little village and a third blow should treat 'em like a food center. The decoration's not that good though. I was trying to set up a kitchen.
Search for vehicles.
There's no room for that.
You have to take out your igloo.
And then I bought a TV thinking it was gonna be like
Go to-
20.
Go to
That shit
T.
was big as
Go
fuck.
to T. Cause that's a mature server. So it's gonna ask you if you want. Click it. And it's gonna ask you if you want to go to a mature server. So say yes. Cause then you can swear
And
at
ask
other
you for your
people.
social security
You can
number.
say as much racist shit. You know, you can say all types of shit. And
Pella's a
you won't.
racist.
Yeah, and you won't get banned. Mhm.
So y'all like scary stories?
That's why everyone asks for dick pics. Everyone talks about
Dick
sex,
pics,
fucking around, boobs,
bags,
pussy,
boobs.
dicks.
How?
You know? They try to say like 18 and older shit. You know, basically it's dating in Club Penguin
They didn't Club Penguin.
and like asking for nudes and fucking around.
I think I might have to go on there. So,
Club Penguin.
do you want me to accompany your
People
girlfriend?
promote. They like
Dumbass bitch.
put their Snapchats, Instagram.
My OnlyFans account.
Get my Snapchat premium.
Oh shit, my Netflix. Hold up. Someone watch me real quick.
Going off to combat. It's important that you be prepared for anything.
Get in the car.
Bitch.
Nigga the beach.
Backseat.
Ha 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 ha.
This nigga crazy. Out of all the trees, you could just gone left or right. He said, nah, I like this one.
This one nice. This one's pretty.
Oh, go to the car, go to the car. This little lady. I should tell that was a 90-degree turn. My bad.
There'd be some crazy ass shit. Wait, let me join you actually since I died.
No, you didn't.
I died.
You were a victim of sexual harassment.
You were a
I'm
victim
telling
of
you.
life.
They're gonna be crazy.
I'm a mama, bro. Wallahi, bro. She wallahi. Damn, I drifted that bitch.
Bro.
Bro, are you lagging or something?
This thing was like...
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Yep, okay, that's...
Okay, wait, let me.
Bro.
This fool is definitely lagging. This fool lags, bro. I can see it on my screen, bro. It like stops, goes slow motion for like a second.
Oh god. They should take the concept of PUBG Mobile and make it into a survival game.
I really should.
PUBG Mobile, Escape from Auschwitz DLC.
Auschwitz. From the producers that brought you Hitler 1, here is Hitler 2.
Where you at, Tyreek?
Oh, right there! Follow him! Bro, your driving is like not A1 sauce, bro.
Where you at, Tyreek? Are you at the town?
Bro,
Damn,
Oh.
Steven.
he
No.
stopped. The
Where you
car
at, Tyreek?
literally stopped.
I'm at the dojo courtyard.
Where's this fucker at?
The dojo?
Nate, I'm driving from now on.
I was the one driving at the end. My bad.
I see you.
Fire, water, and snow. Here's what it is. Oh yeah. I am talking about.
You
Team
chose
wipe-
your
team
color
wipe.
as white when you're Black Thunder.
Bet, let me get that DP28.
Black Thunder.
Wait, fuck. I had him. Fuck you.
So I'm starting to sound like LeBron.
I see.
Bro, talk.
Oh, okay, Steven.
Really? Really? You fucking piece of shit, you too?
You're taking too long, dog.
Bro, I'm getting used to this fucking. You know, I'm done with this loadout. I'm for these two fingers.
Don't do it.
Nah, bruh.
I
Earn
need
my
you to
belt.
do better.
Nah, this is
You
loadout.
want to earn your belt?
Nah, then I said, since give it 1 week, dog. That's how long it took me to get used to it. Give it 1 week.
Fire bad. Yeah.
No.
Give it a week, dog. After a week, you can ditch it. Just like your mom ditched you. Just kidding. It's a yo.
Hey.
Wow.
Yeah, joke when I grenade your bitch ass right now.
Guys,
Trash. I think this shit. Bro, I'm
Sorry,
trash.
I did not mean it.
Wow, this nigga got a
Oh shit, and you mean it.
his accent. I'm moving his
Yeah, I
accent.
figured it was smoke. Okay, it was a smoke, so you didn't really mean
Yeah, nigga.
it. Halfway meant it. Come on, let's get the airdrop.
Got an itch. Got an itch.
I'm trying to head up. I'm trying to heal up, bruh.
Let's become the ghetto misfits, but more diverse.
Yeah, we're not a bunch of white guys.
No, I'm a black guy.
They had it one black guy. He's on his own now.
Put on my high
He's with a bunch of other guys making funny content. It's far. No far.
This is high right here.
No fart. And no fart.
Yeah, let's go.
Hear that though?
Shut up, sir.
That's nice. I feel like
Ah.
you can first bridge for this one, no?
I didn't
Right there.
Right there. Are we hitting with everything?
Hmm.
I'm whooping asses.
Oh, I see you. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna join you.
I'm a white belt.
Once you win your first round, you're gonna get your white belt.
Step away from the car.
What the hell is that? Oh, damn, my face. Come on, cuz.
Come on, tell me that wasn't good playing by me. Took him down.
Take this water, my nigga. Take this water, my nigga.
Are you proud to
To an extent.
Yeah, basically, yeah, pretty.
Hold up. Take this fire. Take this fire.
Yo tengo la camisa negra.
Yeah, I'm on that
Oh,
ass,
oh,
boy.
oh, 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 oh. Steven! Steven! Ah.
Really, dog. If this nigga's stealing my kill.
Oh yeah, huh? Now you don't like when people say your kills, huh? You piece of shit, huh? Yeah.
That one is my kill.
Yeah, no, yeah. Well, it was my kill too, you piece of
Okay, I'm gonna
fucking
get
shit.
some more food.
Hey, can I get some? Pass that.
Come here,
Ooh,
motherfucker.
boys.
What? Oh, we don't play? Okay.
Boys.
Why are you going that one? Why are you going that one? No, exit.
Bro, we're pinned. We can shop. Nate, get inside the door. Get inside the door.
Where you at? Hold on.
Go to this one.
He's in the. Okay.
No, go to this one.
Come behind his car.
Wait. I'm coming as fast as I can.
Sniper fire coming from north way.
Ah, damn.
Getting really close. I'm kind of scared. Not gonna lie. Low key
Loaded
panicking.
my whole server day.
You have to log. You have to log back in now, huh?
I see him.
So stupid.
Yep, he's coming in the car.
Okay, while you log back in, I'm gonna go get some food.
Oh, yes.
Huh?
Yes.
He is full?
Yeah, look.
Okay, hold on. Wait for me.
In the water.
Hold on. Wait until I log back in.
Where?
Then we're gonna go to Walrus.
I lost him. He was in the water. Though.
Is the other one. Hold on. Let's put it together.
Got him.
Nice.
I'm kind of like starting to like this. Okay, I'm starting to like this.
Told you, dying.
Okay, ready? Oh, tea's not full for me. What the hell?
That's some bullshit.
Walrus is full for me.
What?
It says Walrus is full, but tea is open.
It's
Oh, guess who's on? But guess who won't be able to play with us?
Yeah.
Cool.
I guess we're not
Lunch or not?
Marked a
together
vehicle.
in this club thing.
He made a
I
reservation.
don't know.
Yeah. I was like, sorry, sir, but at the
Yep,
moment,
tea is still full.
Tea is still full.
Customers.
What the hell?
No,
We're still getting sniped from somebody over there. It's a really bad spot. I actually don't like. If it's an way I'm gonna call it. Never mind.
let me get that. Better make sure we can get out.
You're kidding, right? You're fucking kidding.
Let's go.
Are you Frizz?
Dead ass.
Fuck. That makes sense since we're in the water. All right, lay low.
When it's like
You get-
fucking tired, like halfway tired deep, like it makes no sense. I'm getting shot from the north side.
Oh, that was my bad.
Hold on, we're out here complaining. There's like 1,000 other cars where we just came from.
For real, son. North Americans are the best servers. There's one behind in the back.
Enemies ahead.
Oh, yeah, there's guys on the hill.
Marked a
Two
location.
of them. Watch the shot. I hop on this orange car back here. Let me fill this bad boy up to the brim. Alright, I have the perfect plan. I'm gonna need some scouts for this, okay, boys?
Marked a
get on that rock.
location.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna hide behind this car. Once the car's coming, give me a heads up. I get in the car and drive it right into them.
Guys ahead.
Okay.
Guys ahead. Guys ahead.
They're moving in the car.
Oh. Oh, that's a sniper. That's the sniper right there.
I knocked one.
Where you seeing them, fool?
Marked a location.
All right, I'm gonna move.
Got one, got one. Move, move, move. Sammy, go, go, go. Sammy, go. There's guys moving on the right of the field. Oh, viewers.
Sam, get the car. Get the car. Get the car. Move quick, boy. The fuck, bro?
We were just about to start taking big damage.
Don't not. Come on.
Oh, let me drive real quick.
Hey, ahead.
Oh yeah, let's not drive no more. Take that hillside.
Yep.
Throw smoke, throw smoke.
I don't have any more.
Just hope they don't push. Watch out, dog. You don't want to push that. You don't want to push that, Emilio.
Right there, you gotta. Yeah, I'm gonna switch, bro. I can't do the 3, 4 fingers, bro.
Squad wipe.
But wipe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go back to 2 fingers, or maybe even
Don't
just
do
3.
it, bro. Don't do it,
At
bro.
least do 3 fingers.
Why though?
4 fingers hurts, bro. Like my fingers hurt.
Form up on me.
It's always form up on me, not do you want to form up on me?
We don't care about your opinion here. We just do what you're told.
Oh, okay.
It's just one other nigga. You don't need to loot up so much, bro.
You never know who this guy is, bro.
On me.
That's cool. That's cool, man. That's cool. I mean, if you swing that way, bro, that's all you. Drip some heroin.
Tengo la camisa negra. Is that fool above?
On some Chris Kyle shit right here. He killed by a Marine real quick.
What are you, Muslim?
Nay, no, nay, no,
Oh,
nay, no.
I literally ran into that.
Oh shit, bro! I didn't know he was in there. I was like, you know what? He might be in there, so let me throw a grenade.
That Nate decided to go in there too.
I was like,